need something that will help under your eye and you're like, what do the professionals, they use this. This is what the professionals use, my girl. My guy. I lost the lid to it. Don't talk about it. This is the Embryolisse Secret de Maquilleur Soin Corrector Anti-15 Teintreuse. My husband's French. So if you're my husband's family, don't watch that because this is embarrassing. He makes fun of me every time I speak French. I love this so much. I literally lost the lid. It is so messy and I'm gonna clean it. We're gonna clean it together. We're friends, we're BFFs. I'm not hiding crap from you guys. Okay, while I clean this off, you know who's gonna talk to you. I simply can't today. I'm just gonna focus. This very hard to pronounce makeup's a Corrector. It is 8 milliliters of color correcting product. It's obviously from France. That's all this website says about it. Everything on this packaging is French. Oh, not this. Apply to the eye area and gently pat and blend with fingertips. Add formula until desired coverage. Ingredients. See the box. That's all I have for you. That's over, thank God. It is the lightest, most delicate formula I've ever used in my entire life. I don't know if there's a scent, but this brand is like, if you're a makeup artist, you know the brand Embryolisse. They have their milk moisturizer that every makeup artist is gonna slap on your face before they do your makeup because it is so fantastic. This is so hydrating. This is so color correcting without being like too much. You're just gonna put on a tiny little bit. It's going to do what it needs to do underneath your eye without causing so much like buildup of product and cake. This is essentially like an eye serum that color corrects and gives you a little bit of love. This Embryolisse color correcting in the rose tint concealer that is very not in focus, whatever, is basic Bree approved. It is a little bit extra. It is a little bit fantastic if you like to, if you want to amplify your makeup or if you're looking for a little something more for your under eye, get this immediately. You can also use it just like on the reg with nothing else. I do find that I have a little bit too much redness in my skin to be able to do that, but you definitely could do that. I love this product. I love this brand. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. You're not going in my bag because you're topless and you're just gonna sit on my desk. I love you so much. Thank you so much. I'm gonna just tuck her in. This is your encyclopedia of makeup reviews. That's me. I'm Bree. I'm making an encyclopedia of makeup reviews. And yeah, shoot, it's dripping. Oh no. Calm down. Hate when that happens. Am I right? I'll go. I'll send myself out for that one. Yep. I'm gonna go.